here with another opportunity from Switzerland. This is from CERN, acronym for European Council for Nuclear Research. It is an administrative student program and it is the fully funded internship program. This internship duration is 2 to 12 months. There are not any requirements for English proficiency tests like IELTS, and the application is online and it is completely free. The total number of seats are 120 and it is a fully funded internship. The CERN Switzerland internship provides 3,283 Swiss francs per month allowance, and this is equal to approximately 6 lakh Pakistani rupees. It also covers travel ticket allowances, additional allowances if the applicant is married and have children. Depending on your personal circumstances, a supplement if you are married and have children. It also gives health insurance, and if you take a leave between 2 to 5 days per month, then there will be no any deduction from. These are the available fields in which you can apply, for example engineering fields, accounting, finance and many more. You can read these as well. Then come basic eligibility criteria. Before applying to this internship, one thing you should check that your country comes under CERN member states. On the official website of the CERN internship, they have provided a link from where you easily check this. We will talk about more this later in the second part of this video. You should be at least in the second year of your bachelor's degree program, and you also have English communication skills. You have to submit CV, academic transcript and recommendation letter in PDF format before the last date of application. Here is the official link of CERN Administrative Student Program. If you want to apply to more than one job, you will need to upload the documents for each application you submit, and you must have completed 18 months of studies in bachelor's or master's. The application is completely online. This is a part 1 of this video. In part 2, I will explain the detailed procedure to fill the application form. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.